ఆ 63 డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాస్ మీ పక్కనే పెట్టుకోవాలి. నేను చెప్పే కాన్సెప్ట్లో ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీస్ వస్తుంటాయి. ఆ ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీస్ సూటబుల్ అయ్యే డైమెన్షన్ ఫార్ములాస్ మీరు వెతికి అక్కడ రాయండి. ఓకే, అలా పెట్టుకోవడం వల్ల మీకు డైమెన్షన్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఇది ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతాయి టాపిక్, లేకపోతే కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్గా ఫీల్ అవుతారు. ఓకే, మీరు చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే నేను చెప్పినటువంటి 63 డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాస్ మీ పక్కనే పెట్టుకోవాలి. అవి మీ పేపర్లో రాసుకొని ఉంచుకోవాలి. ఇప్పటి నుంచి నేను చెప్పబోయే కాన్సెప్ట్ అన్ని కూడా దానికి ఉపయోగపడతాయి. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్గా 63 డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాస్ మీ పక్కనే ఉంచుకోండి. ఓకే, you'll see I'm going to explain. Next method is checking. Second method, checking the dimensional correctness of a relation. Checking the dimensional correctness of relation. So we have the rules. First one is this is done on the basis of principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity and for any given relation by homogeneity the dimensions of physical quantity, the dimensions of physical quantities on both sides of equality are always same. Always same. This is done on basis of principle of homogeneity, and for any given relation by homogeneity, dimensions of physical quantity on both sides of equality always same. Keep in mind, this is the first point. This is a done. For example, okay, next rule number 2. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. Now you are able to understand when I am going to explain the problem. The time you are able to understand this condition. Okay. Next second point. Next first point. This is the first point. Next second point. Second point is second point. This is very, very important. Powers are always powered or always dimensionless. Dimensionless. Powers are always dimensionless. Dimensionless. Powers are always dimensionless. Dimensionless. For example, example is x power of a. X power of a. A is dimensionless. Dimensionless. That is rule number 2. Rule number 3. All trigonometric ratios. All trigonometric ratios. That means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, like that. And exponent values for natural exponent, e power of theta, comma e power of a, and logarithms along with or always, that means log x, log a by b, or always dimensionless, or always dimensionless. Okay, trigonometric ratio, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, e power of theta, e power of x, log a by b, or dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. That means trigonometric ratio. E power of theta, e power of a. That is exponential values. Log x, log a by b. That is log related. This trigonometric ratios, log, exponential, or dimensionless. Next to powers. Powers are dimensionless also. This is a power. This is dimensionless. Keep in mind. Dimensionless. Powers are dimensionless. Trigonometry ratios, exponential values, log, dimensionless. Trigonometry ratios, exponent values, log, or dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless. This is a condition. Keep in mind. Next, rule number 4. Okay, this is a rule. I'm going to explain the example problem. I'm going to explain the problem. The problems are related to the checking the dimensional correctness of the relation. Okay, first one. I'm going to explain first one. example problems I'm going to explain. Example number 1. First example number 1. I'm going to explain. First one is check whether the following equation is dimensionally correct. Is dimensionally correct. Okay, equation is that is half mv squared is equal to mgh. Half mv squared is equal to mgh. We have to checking the dimensional correctness of the relation. This is correct or correct. This equation is dimensionally correct. This equation is not dimensionally correct. We have to check it. How can you check? Rule number 1, dimensionally of me squared is equal to dimensional of mgh. That is rule number 1. Rule number 1. This is the numerical value is constant. Take out mass. SI unit of mass is kg. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. Displacement, SI unit of displacement is meter. SI unit of time is second. D is equal to meter s power of minus 1. This is a meter s power of minus 1 whole square. This is a dimensional form. I'm going to write dimensional form. Okay, next to this is a mass, that is a kg. This is a gravity, acceleration to gravity, that is equal to ag, acceleration to gravity. That is acceleration means velocity by time. Velocity means displacement by time. Displacement time into time square. SI unit of displacement meter. SI unit of time means second square. This is m into s power of minus 2, right? This is the SI unit of acceleration to gravity. That is m into s power of minus 2. This is height. SI unit of height means meter. This is a kg m into m square s power of minus 2. This is a kg m s power of minus 1 whole square. This is a m square s power of minus 2. In MLT, this is a MLT. Okay, in how many cases we have? One case. How many lengths? 2. How many seconds we have? Time is 1. How many cases we have? One case. Length 2 in length. 1 is 2 in time. Both are dimensionally correct. We are checking it. This is the first example. Next, the second example. This is the first example. I'm going to explain number of problems. You are getting, you are able to understand the problem. Next, second example. De Broglie equation. Example number 2. That is lambda is equal to h by M. We have to check it. Okay, we have to check it. This is LHS side, this is RH side. So first rule, dimensional upright verb set of equation. Dimensions of wavelength is equal to dimensions of h by m, mv, h by m. Okay, next we can write dimensional of wavelength. Wavelength is a distance. Wavelength is a distance. Wavelength is wavelength. Wavelength is distance. Distance. My SI unit of distance is length. SI unit of okay, right? Wavelength. So wavelength. SI unit of wavelength. Wavelength is a distance. SI unit of distance is meter. So dimensional formula of wavelength is, this is a meter. L. This is a dimensional dimensions of wavelength is L. Next, dimensions of this is a h by m. H by m. H means Planck constant. Planck constant. What is the dimensional formula? Planck constant. Planck constant. మీ డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాస్ మీరు పక్కన పెట్టుకోండి. మీ డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాస్ నేను చెప్పినటువంటి 63 డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాస్ మీ పక్కన ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు ప్లాంక్ కాన్స్టెంట్ కి డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా రాయండి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ ప్లాంక్ కాన్స్టెంట్? Dimensional formula of Planck constant is m L square T power of minus 2. Planck constant. Okay, here this is a h means Planck constant by mass into velocity. Now dimensional formula of this is a dimensional of Planck constant is m L T. Okay, we are going to write ml square T power of minus 1. Directly I am writing. I explained Planck constant dimensional formulas in previous. Mass means mass. SI unit of mass is kg. How many kgs we have? 1 kg. That is m. Velocity means mass into s power of minus 1. Length. So I mean length 1, time is minus 1. We are going to write L T power of minus 1. We are going to write that. Okay, I'm writing here. So this is a dimensional of Planck constant m L square T power of minus 1. Mass means here how many masses we have? 1 mass, 1 in mass. Velocity means meter into s power of minus 1. How many meters we have? 1. Time is T power of minus 1. We are going to solve mass cancel. Okay, L cancel, we have 1 L T power of minus 1. 1 by T power of minus 1 take upside T power of plus 1. This is L into base is same, just add the powers minus 1 plus 1, that is a 0. So L into T power of 0 means 1. Dimensional formula. So what is the dimensional formula of wavelength is L. Dimensional h by m is what is L. So dimensionally it is correct. This equation is dimensionally correct. Why means dimensional of wavelength is L. Dimensions of h by m is L bigger. This is dimensionally correct. Okay, next question. Next example number 3. E is equal to mc square. E is equal to mc square. Checking the dimensional correctness of the relation. Okay, this is E means energy. E means energy. Energy. So what is energy means? We are going to write energy is equal to work. Work is equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. SI unit of work. SI unit of work. SI unit of work is equal to force means MAS. SI unit of work. SI unit of mass K. SI unit of acceleration meter S power of minus. SI unit of distance meter. kc meter square S power of minus 2. This is a SI unit of work, SI unit of job. Okay, dimensional formula of energy. Dimensional formula of energy. Dimensional formula of work is equal to MLT, kg. How many kgs we have? 1 in mass, 2 in length, minus 2 in time. This is a dimensional formula of energy. Dimensional formula of work is equal to ML square T power of minus 2. That is the dimensional formula for energy. So energy, dimensional formula of energy. Dimensional formula of E means, okay, we are going to write here. E means energy. Dimensional formula of energy is equal to what's that? ML square T power of minus. So next, I'm going to check the MC square. Next, this is a LH side. This is a RH side. RH side, right hand side, MC square. MC square. Okay. Dimensions of energy is equal to how we get this is a process. Next, MC square. M means mass into C means velocity of light in a vacuum. Velocity of the light. Whole square. Okay. SI unit of mass is kg. Velocity means displacement by time. SI unit of distance m. SI unit of time second. This is I'm going to write minus velocity. SI unit of velocity is meter S power of minus 1. Meter S power of minus 1 whole square. This is kg m S power of minus 1 whole square. M square S power of minus 2. I'm right. Okay, this is not appealing to you. Wait, I'm going to write here M L square T power of minus. Now, this is RHS side. This is LHS side. This is RH side. RH side is MC square. RH side is MC square. SI unit of mass, kg. C means, M means mass. I'm writing mass. C means velocity of light. Whole square. SI unit of mass is k. SI unit of velocity. SI unit of velocity is meter S power of minus 1 here whole square. This is kg m S power of minus 1 whole square. That is m square S power of minus 1. Next, dimensions of MC square. Dimensions of Dimensions of MC square. MLT. MLT. How many cases we have? 1 in mass, 2 in length, minus 2 in time. This is a RHS side. RHS side is equal to dimensions of MC square is equal to ML square T power of minus 2. Okay, you check it. Dimensions of LHS side equal dimensions of RHS side. RHS side. This is a funnel condition. Dimensions of LHS. LHS is ML square T power. RHS side. RHS. Dimensions of RHS is what is that? ML square T power. Both are equal. Both are equal. This is a dimensionally correct. Dimensionally correct. This is a process. This is the process we are going to do. Next, example number 4. Example number 4. So, my dear student, you should keep along with your dimensional formula. Dimensional formulas. Otherwise, you can't understand. So, you keep along with your dimensional formulas, you are able to understand this problems. Next, Fs is equal to of ME squared minus of MU squared. Okay. Dimensions of Fs. Next, dimensions of ME squared. Dimensions of 1 by 2 of ME squared. Of ME squared. Now we are going to write force. So what is the force formula? F is equal to MA. MA Kc. A means keep in your mind SI unit of velocity, SI unit of acceleration. Keep in your mind. M into S power of minus 2. That is SI. So Kc meter S power of minus 2. Dimensional formula. What is the dimensional formula? Mass is M power of Kc. 1 in mass, meter, 1 in length, T power of minus 2 in time. This is a dimensional formula of this one. Dimensional formula of force into displacement is this one. Next, dimensional of ME square. Of ME square. 1 by 2 is a constant, take out mass. S unit of mass is K. Velocity. S unit of velocity is meter, S power of minus 1, 4 square here. This is, we are going to write Kc. This is M square, S power of minus 2. Dimensions, Kc, how many cases we have? 1 in mass, 2 in length, 2 in minus 2, minus 2 in time. This is the dimension of 1 by 2 ME square. This is a dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. Next, D of ME square. This is of is constant. Kc means S unit of mass Kc. V means S unit of V means meter S power of minus 1 whole square. Kc. This is AB whole square, A square into B square. I'm right. M square S power of minus 2. 1 in mass, 2 in length, minus 2 in time. This is a dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. Okay, dimensional. You check it. Your displacement. S unit of displacement is M. Here, I have to written here mistake. Force means Kg. S unit of force is Kg meter S power of minus 1. Displacement, S unit of displacement is meter. K is meter into meter, meter square, S power of minus 2. 1 in mass, 2 in length, minus 2 in time. You check it. You check it here. Force into displacement. Dimensions of force into displacement, M, L square T per minute. For this one is, M L square T per minute. This side is dimensional formula is M, L square T per minute. For this side also dimensional formula M, L square T per minute. Both are equal. This is a dimensionally correct. Dimensionally correct. We are going to solve like next problem. Next problem. This is a dimensionally correct. Okay. Next question. Next, T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G. L by G naught. L by G. This is the acceleration to gravity. S unit of SI. SI. Here L means length. L means length. G means acceleration to gravity. Acceleration to gravity. 2 pi is a constant. 2 pi is a constant. T is a time period. Time period. This is. We have to check the dimensional formula. So first, this is I'm writing T. This is a 2 pi L by G. This is a root. I'm writing. This is a 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Dimensions of T. So what is the dimensions of the T? Time period. We are writing T. Directly we are writing. Next, this is a LHS side mark. This is a LHS side. Okay, directly I'm writing here only. Dimensions of T. T is T only. This side 2 pi is a constant, no need to take. Okay. The dimensions of L by G, whole power of 1 by 2, whole power of 1 by 2. S unit of length is meter. S unit of G is meter, S power of minus 2, whole power of 1 by 2, whole power of 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is a S unit. Next, meter cancel. D 1 by S power of minus 2 take upside, that is S square, whole power of 1 by 2. This is a dimensions of this is a S square, whole power of 1 by 2, whole power of 1 by 2. 2 cancel each other. Dimensions of S. S unit of second is that is the time. That is the time. You see, this is a LHS side. This is a RHS side. RHS side. What is the LHS side is dimensional formula T. RHS side dimensional formula is what is that? This is a T. Dimensionally, this is correct. Dimensionally correct. Dimensionally correct. Okay. Next question. Next, checking del is equal to mg L cape by 4b D cube by Young modulus. Young's modulus. Young's modulus. Here del is dispersion. 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 Del is dispersion. L means length. L means length. B means breadth. B means breadth. Next. Y means Young modulus. Young modulus. Young's modulus. Y means Young's modulus. Okay, 4 is constant. 4 is constant. 4 is constant. LHS side. LHS side. LHS side is equal to del. Del means dispersion. Dispersion means length. We are taking dispersion means yes, unit of dispersion is length. LHS side over. Next RHS side. Next to RHS side is equal to M G L T by 4 B D T Y. Mass. M means mass. M means mass. Means mass. Mass. This is a mass. Mass means kc. Acceleration to gravity means meter s power of minus 2. Length means meter cube by 4 is constant. Take out. B means breadth. Meter. Meter cube. Young's modulus. Young modulus means Young modulus. Formula is Young modulus is called Young modulus dimensional formula. Mn 4 minus 1 T power of minus 2. This is a Young modulus dimensional formula. That means Kc M power of minus 1 S power of minus 2. S power of minus 2. We are going to write Young modulus means Kc meter power of minus 1 S power of minus 2. This is formula. Now M cube cancel, meter cancel. Kg cancel. Remaining we have what we have S power of minus 2. S power of minus 2 by M power of minus 1 S power of minus 2. We have that. We have that one. Now S power of minus 2 S power of minus 2 cancel each other. Remaining 1 by M power of minus 1. 1 by RHS side is equal to 1 by M power of minus 1, that is the M. Dimensions of M means length. M means length. Okay. LHS side is L. LHS side is L. RHS side is also L. This is a dimensionary current. Dimensionary checking the dimensional correctness of the relation. This equation is dimensional current. Y means this is L also, this is also L. Okay, this is it. We are going to solve this. Next question. Next, very important question. Okay, next question. This is very important. Find the dimensions of A by B. A by B. in the equation, in the equation, in the equation, in the equation. F is equal to a root of x plus bt square, bt square, where f is force, where f is force, f is force, x is distance, distance, t is time, t is time, t is time. Okay, so already I told you, according to homogeneity, according to principle of homogeneity, principle of homogeneity, we can add, subtract physical quantity with the same dimension, same dimension. According to principle of homogeneity, dimensional form of f is equal to dimensional of a root of x is equal to dimensional of b t square. Dimensional of f is equal to dimensional of a into root of x is equal to dimensional of b into t square. This is I wrote this equation according to principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity, we can add, subtract physical quantity with the same dimension. Same dimension. Dimensional formula of f. Okay. I want to find out a by b. A by b. I want to find out the a by b means first we have to equate this equation. df is equal to dimensional formula of f is equal to dimensional formula of a into root of x. This is one equation we take. Next, I need b value means we have to equate this two equations. df is equal to dimensional formula of b into t square. B into t square. This is I wrote this equation according to principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity, we can add, subtract physical quantity with the same dimension. Same dimension. Okay. This is two equations. Dimensional formula of f is equal to dimensional formula of ax. Okay. This is I am writing. df is equal to a is a constant. Take out d root of x. Root of x. I want a value. This value take this. A is equal to dimensional of f by dimensional of root x. This is I'm writing dimensional. Dimension. Okay, clear? So this is I'm writing. We know very well dimensional of force. Dimensional of force means f is equal to ma. V is equal to mass into velocity. SI unit of velocity. SI unit of acceleration. Mass means SI unit of mass is SI unit of acceleration. This dimensional formula of F is equal to mass 1 in mass, length in 1, time in minus m l t power of minus 2. This is a dimensional formula of force. Dimensional formula of force. So what is the dimension of force? M l t power of minus. This is the upside dimensional formula. Upside dimensional formula. In lower side dimensional formula. So what is that is a d root of x. This is I am writing x power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. SI unit of x means length, that is 1 by 2. Dimensional of x power of 1 by 2 means L power of 1 by 2. L power of 1 by 2. L power of 1 by 2. Now just to simplify this one, A is equal to m L 1 by L power of 1 by 2, take upside L into L power of minus 1 by 2 into T power of minus T power of minus 2. Okay, we are writing like that. So next term, Okay, so A is equal. This is M into base is same, base is same, powers added. This is L power of 1 minus 1 by 2. M, this is a T power of minus acceleration. A is equal to. A is a constant, not a M L. This is a take LCM 1 minus 1 by 2. This is a 2 minus 1 by 2. That is a 1 by 2. L power of 1 by 2. This is a T power of minus. This is A value. This is a A value. Keep in your mind. A value. Next, again, I want to B value. B value means this is second part. Dimensional form of F is equal to. So B is a constant. Take out dBT square. So I want to B value. This one take this side. B is equal to dF by dt square. B is equal to dimension of force is equal to. What is the dimension of force? M L T power of minus 2. This is a time. Time means this is a T square. The B is equal to M L T power of minus 2. 1 by T square take upside. That is a T power of minus. B is equal to M L basis same. Powers, we add the powers minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. This is B value. I want A by B value. A by B value. So A value is, what is the A value? A value. M L power of 1 by 2 T power of minus 2. B value is M L T power of minus 4. Minus 4. This is. So you see M cancel. A by B is equal to. Okay. L power of 1 by 2. 1 by L, take upside L power of minus 4. This is a T power of minus 2. 1 by T power of minus 4, take upside T power of plus 4. A by B is equal to. A by B is equal to. Base is same, just powers added. Powers added. Powers added. Just the powers added. Powers added. So A by B is equal to N. This is a 1 by 2 minus 1. That is a 2 take LCM 1 minus 2. This is a minus 2 plus 4. That is a 2. A by B is equal to L. 1 minus 2 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2. This is a T square. This is your value. A by B is equal to L power of minus 1 by 2 T square. That is our value. This is a very, 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 very important for competition. Very, very important. Okay. So this is a question. Okay. This is a, we are going to do next question. Okay. Next question. Students, this chapter you are not getting at a time concept. easy process. You slowly you are getting so you are getting the process. Okay, don't worry. You have to practice more problems. You are getting very easy. You'll get the confident answer for this problem. Okay. So next.